Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sunny if you're new, and today we are going to be cutting my hair and dyeing it. I have never done this before, so it's going to be a very interesting process. I've kind of been going through it lately, so what better way to get through a crisis than doing something to your hair? I kind of want bangs as well, but that's a little bit too extreme and I don't trust myself to cut bangs. My hair is a very jet black. Is jet black even a word? Like a very dark black color, so I kind of want it to be lighter. It's not going to be anything too dramatic, like I'm not gonna dye it hot pink, at least I don't think so. I just wanted to change, I wanted to spice things up a little bit. Normally I cut it right before summer every single year, but this year I haven't had summer in a year and a half because obviously I moved to California and I moved in the fall. My hair is the longest that it has been in quite a few years now. I always just cut it up to like normally here. I really need to wash my hair. It's very greasy at the moment, but I basically want to just chop off the split ends because obviously we want healthy hair. I have literally no idea how to dye my hair. I'm going to be watching so many YouTube videos, so please bear with me for that. Here's a plan. We're gonna go to the store, pick out a color, probably like a light-ish brown or something that's kind of subtle but feels different. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. I normally do fitness videos, but we're changing it up a little bit. And if you want to cut your hair or dye your hair, go ahead for it. I support it, so you do you. Anyway, let's get into the video. I literally just spilled my coffee. What is my luck? I'm so clumsy. Right now, we're heading to the store. We're gonna pick out our color and then get this whole process started. I washed my hair really quickly and I have 3 pairs of scissors here because I don't know which one to use. First, I'm just going to part in the middle. I'm I took my glasses off because I almost broke them. Oh, my hair is long. It's so wet. All the videos I've seen, well, like 2 videos that I saw. So basically you part your hair and then you grab both sides and you bring them to your chin and you look like this. Very fashionable, very stylish. And then you just chop a little bit off. And I use these scissors. I don't know how much I'm gonna chop off. That much? That's too short, no. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't even think I'm doing this right. Wait, I'm gonna get a hair tie. I'm being really honest, I haven't watched the video of cutting hair in a while, so I'm kind of winging this, but this is what I remember from it and I can't be bothered to watch the video again. These scissors are so bad, they're barely cutting through it. I did a terrible job. It's so uneven. I'm gonna switch my scissors. This is taking me so long to do. Oh, these scissors are much better. Let's see if that did anything. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit more. Round 2, let's see how this goes. I feel like I stuffed up the first part, but it's okay. Oh, that's very uneven. I'm gonna do that again. This is so bad. This is so uneven. Just this one strand sticking out. I only chopped off a little bit and we'll see how even it is once my hair is dry. I'm just going to let this dry off for a bit and then we'll get to the coloring part. Very excited. Hopefully this turned out okay. I feel like it's going to be very uneven, but we can fix that then. Oh, that's awful. So while we're waiting for my hair to dry, I thought I would show you the color that I picked out and then also read the instructions box because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. This is what I chose. It's a brown, light brown color. It says on the box natural brown. Hopefully my hair looks like this when it's done. I don't know that it will. Honestly, I don't think it can go that wrong, like it's only light brown. There's a few things in this box. Oh, this thing. It's a developer. A nourishing mask. I've never tried a hair mask on my hair before, so that's interesting. A coloring cream, obviously we need that. And a shampoo. This is so tiny, it's so cute. Start applying the mix at the roots of dry unwashed hair. Use the bottle tip to separate the hair section by section. You have to wash your hair like 5 times just to color your hair. There's so many steps to this. I never realized how much effort this would take. Interesting. Oh my gosh, my facial expressions are so funny. I'm concentrating so hard on not trying to mess everything up. Okay, I think that's done. We're just gonna have to wait for 30 minutes and see what happens. This has literally been the most anxious 30 minutes of my life. I am so nervous to see how this turns out. Hopefully it's all fine, but I'm like really nervous. Also, this stuff smells so bad. I am like almost getting a headache. That literally did nothing to my hair. Like, it's still so black. I'm so confused. I did everything the box told me to do. Okay, so it's the next day and I dyed my hair yesterday and it literally did nothing to my hair. It's exactly the same. So I'm gonna go to the store and get a new color, probably a lighter shade and a different brand, to hopefully make my hair go lighter. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, or I don't know if my hair just doesn't like color, but my first attempt at dyeing my hair did not go as planned. It literally did nothing to my hair. So we're gonna attempt this a second time and hopefully it actually does something this time. 2-day process, who knew it would take this long? Okay, so I quickly just ran to the store and bought a different box of hair color. So hopefully this time it goes as planned. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or the hair color just doesn't work on my hair, but we're gonna attempt this a second time and hopefully it goes better. Okay, so this is the one that I ended up buying and it's a golden brown color, so it's a little bit lighter than the other one, and it showed on the back that it would be like this color, which hopefully it does go light like that. We're going to attempt to color it for the second time. Hopefully it goes better this time. Okay, here goes round 2. Is it bad that I'm dyeing my hair twice in the span of like 24 hours? Probably, but do I care? Oh wow, there's like a place where you can just punch through and it becomes like a hole to place the bottle in. There we go, that kind of worked. Place the bottle into the hole so it stays upright. Check. There's like barely anything in this. Oh, it's like orange. Very, very interesting. Get done with that. And now we have to shake it vigorously. Ooh, look what it looks like. 30 seconds. Okay, so I put it all in my hair and now we're just going to wait for 30 minutes and then rinse it out, and hopefully this works this time. So I'm very excited, a bit more confident than I was the first time doing this because I actually know what I'm doing. I'm excited to see what happens. Okay, so this is what we've ended up with. The difference is very subtle, as you can see. I feel like you can't even tell that I did anything to my hair. I just feel like I've wasted my money on getting literally the same hair. I'm kind of disappointed that it wasn't more lighter than this, but what can you do? Overall, it was a very fun process for me. It was the first time that I was doing anything like this, so I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.